Welcome to Lissa Crochet channel. I hope you are in good health. Today's video will be about the yarns that we use. For example, when we unravel a piece of leather for a bag, we can use it because it's good, with no scratches or damages. However, the leather itself becomes wrinkled and crumpled. If we remove the leather incorrectly, it becomes damaged and wrinkled. The leather itself is intact, nothing wrong with it. It's like a piece of it, but its appearance is not good. If we exhibit it or sell it to a customer, they won't accept it back because the leather's appearance is very difficult. What should we do in a situation like this? Should we throw away the yarns we have or repair them? How can we fix them and reuse them as they were originally? Maybe if there are accessories like buttons, we will remove these buttons and take out the metal parts. If there are parts that are sewn, we will leave them as they are because we can't remove them, and they won't be affected by the way we repair. Let's see what we can do, how to fix these things, make them new, and use them again as new.
The solution is all exploding in the steam iron. I start with its heart, the inner part that is in the steam iron. I walk on it with the steam iron, and you will see the rust immediately starts to fall off. It falls off, then returns, and is rebuilt. Even if it dries, it will wrinkle, as you can see. This is the second part. I do not work on the skin itself. I do not work on the back part. We put it in water, cover it, put it in water, put it in water, and so on. Also, the hand's palm, I do it in the same way. We crinkle it and crinkle it. Then cut it as well so that something remains, please, again, in it.
This is how they look after I steamed them. They look very different from the first time. The leather is now soft and smooth. I am supposed to maintain even the small buckles this way. I remove the hands with a gentle touch to preserve them until I use them again. We learned the method. What if I don't have this steam iron? What if I don't have any steam iron at all? Which steam iron will work if I don't have any? Maybe I can put some water in a pot and wait for it to boil, or until steam starts to come out. Then I start exposing the leather to the steam, waiting for it to stretch and reach the desired state. If I don't have a steam pot, I don't have water. I'm afraid of the heat. Let's simplify things a bit. I can also heat up a pot, put some water in it, and pass the leather piece over the steam. So, the idea is to expose the leather to any steam, whether it's a steam iron over the fire or a pot of water boiling on the stove. I'll put some water in a teapot, let the steam come out, and expose my leather to it. It will become soft again. The creases will be removed, and then I can work with it again. I hope this idea helps you. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in new videos, God willing.